Hi, I'm Jason Rosenberg, Senior Director of Risk and Resiliency at Autodesk. As the lead of our finance internship program, I am so proud that Autodesk Finance has partnered with the organization Management Leadership for Tomorrow, also known as MLT. This nonprofit has a network of students from underrepresented communities and works to transform the leadership pipelines for more than 120 other companies. A group of Autodeskers recently attended one of MLT's seminars in Washington, D.C., which brought together over 300 Black, Latinx, and Native American MBA students looking for summer 2025 internships. We had the opportunity to network with these incredible candidates and hold facilitated sessions that provided insight into the work we do and how these students can prepare for interviews as they further their careers. Meeting the students was an incredible experience. The caliber of candidates we met exceeded all our expectations. All of us were blown away by the incredible, talented people and would be thrilled to have the opportunity to work with anyone we met in the future.